here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback 2+2. C code 289 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome bumper up front. Looks like it's in good shape. Bright work grille. Also looks good on this one. Has had a repaint. It's kind of a medium red metallic, burgundy metallic, black interior, riding on chrome Krager Street Pro wheels. Good look in this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this. As you can see, paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots, I don't know if I can even get them to show up, but maybe just a little bit of overspray. But again, it still shows nice, don't get me wrong. Has a nice shine to it. There's maybe an imperfection here or there. Interior, redone, black vinyl. Of course, the 2+2 seating in the back. You'll be able to see in the still pictures we have the back of the seat flipped, where you'd have more of a storage setup back there, or for luggage or what have you. There's a pretty stock looking dash. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. As we take a look at the rear of the car, dual exhaust, well, the chrome in the rear bumper, bright work. All looks good back here. There'll be some miscellaneous parts that will go with this, and you can see these in the still pictures too. As you can see, like a gas cap, looks like a dome light assembly, the original 289 emblems on there, some rubber gaskets, like a riser for a carburetor, original steering wheel. Well, there was some exhaust donuts or gaskets, of course the manuals, window felts. So that will all go back in the trunk and go along with the car. You can see that, UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look through the still pictures. I want to give you a heads up, there'll be a few extra things coming with it. As we take a look down the driver's side. Now remember, we're going to start this up for you, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. We'll also do a driving video with this so you can kind of get an idea what it goes down the road like, kind of take a virtual ride in it if you will. Idea what the driver's side looks like. Check this interior out a little closer. Door panels, good shape. Vinyl seating surfaces look like they are newer. Seat belts intact. Teak or wood steering wheel. Let's fire this up so you hear it run. Again, power steering, power brakes, 289. This is a C code car. I've had the stereo power up, but have not gotten reception with it. Center console with the shifter for the automatic. Top of the dash. Let's take a look at the headliner. There's kind of a nice little overhead unit in there also. Headliner looks good. Closes nice, latch as well. Slip around the back so you hear it run. There's nothing crazy over the top exhaust wise, just a nice sounding V8, no rumble to it. Of course, 1968 Fastback, very popular body style, especially with this model year. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. Like I said, remember, stick around to the end of the video. See what it's like driving down the road in this car. There you get a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. So pretty stock looking engine bay here too. Does look like it's got a little newer master cylinder, notice that. Good cars on your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. wouldn't be embarrassed about having the hood open on this one. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Also battery disconnect for if it's in storage or in between drives. Nice setup underneath the hood. 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. C code 289, automatic, power steering, power brakes. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Ford Mustang. This would be a Fastback Mustang in a nice red color with black interior. Factory style bucket seats in this car. The steering wheel is cocked a little bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all.
Except, he said if you want to have a whole bunch.
Factory radio AM is working well. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4 of a tank. Alternator showing just above half, which means it is charging. Temperature gauge is just a little above cold. Oil pressure is at 1/3 of the gauge, and speedometer is working well. Our wipers work. Our blower motor also works on this car. This car is equipped with map lights overhead and a beautiful wood grain matched to the dash piece that is on the ceiling. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays where you put it very well. This is an automatic on the center console. Brakes are working well. Iconic Mustang, same style as the Bullet Mustang from the movie. One of the more iconic Mustangs, I must say. Kicked down and working well in that automatic transmission. Very nice driving Mustang. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.